Welcome back to Google Applications for Teachers. Today, let's take a look at linking a Google document to a blog post that we've already created. Log into Blogger and create a new post. Give it a title. And type in some text that you'll attach a hyperlink to the Google document that you've made previously. Now open up Google Documents in another window. Select the Google document that you want to link to and click Share and Sharing Settings. Copy the document link in this window and close. Now let's go back to Blogger in our post. Select the text that you want to highlight and create a link to, and paste that HTML link for your Google document in this window and click OK. To verify that the link works, click on Go to Link. And it seems to work just fine. Go ahead and publish. And let's view our post. And that's it. This is one way for your students to submit their work on a blog for others to access for peer review. It's another way for them to submit their assignments with a date and timestamp. If you have any questions, email me at mrginex@gmail.com. And I'll see you in the next lesson.